What is up, everybody? I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to talk about something I just got in the mail. It's a 5-knife series of Victorinox Alox classics. This is the classic Precious Alox, and there's 5 colors. The first one is it's called Infinite Gray. Anybody can see that there. And just comes in a cardboard packaging with the sleeve. Take that off. And so these have like just a really kind of a cool pattern on them, so it's definitely different than any other 58mm. Pull it on out of there. Shiny. Shiny is good. So yeah, this is cool. Now I'm going to show up its 2 closest colors. So here is silver naturally. Let me just do this. So this has definitely got a little more gray in it, but I'm going to compare it to this is, I believe, Davies gray. This is a Rambler, so I believe it's a Davies gray. So it's not as gray as a gray. It's a silver with a dash of gray. It's like a shimmery silver gray. Very cool. All right. The next one is, let me tell you the name real quick. Gentle Rose. And the sun's going down a little bit, but hopefully the color will show a little. Pink is hard to capture. It's his cousin. This is of the most recent release, the Cotton Candy. So you can see it's more vivid than the Cotton Candy. And the hot. So the colors are probably not going to show. It almost looks purple here, but those are all the pinks. Next up is Hazel Brown. Now, one thing that I was really excited, this was the one knife when I saw that was released that I was excited to get. You say, well, why did this one excite you? Well, what I really was excited about is the fact that my other brown was more of a toffee. I'm trying not to drop these, so you can see how this one is much more of a rich chocolate brown. Now on the back side of my toffee is funny because they're a little closer in color, so I'd always hoped to find one in this color. So now I have a toffee brown and the chocolate brown, so it really adds a new color in my spectrum of colors. And if anyone's curious, there is a Celador brown. I really love the color brown. Alrighty. Next we're gonna, of course, iconic red. Now, I suppose someone would say, why another red, 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 red? But I guess Victorinox, if you think about from the roots and beginning, red is their color. And honestly, it's a beautiful color. Red. I carry a red knife as my EDC, a Celador. But look at that, it's beautiful. Let's compare them. Got a lot of red ones. So, Smooth Alox Special. This is the regular red. One of these is the 2018, and one of them is the one just released in the 10 color wheel special. My last video may have that. So, really cool. And I tell you guys, I wasn't that excited about these knives just because the colors were somewhat similar, but they are different enough to where they stand out. And I gotta tell you, I really like them. They're much cooler in person. So here's another. We'll round them out. Here we go. Brass gold. The real deal right there. Let's take a look. So this color is basically just about what it says. It's a little bit of brass. It almost has a copper feel, a copper. No, maybe not. It's really cool. It's very cool how it has that woven pattern into it. Hopefully you can see. Its nearest cousin. This is also of the new. This is the 2019 Champagne. So you're going to see they're very, very similar. I really would say they're probably identical in color, with just the different stamping patterns. This one does look much more like middle class Alox. Blingy. You got some bling going on here. Alright guys, well there's another video. Let me zoom in here. Take my camera off. So there you have it. This one is a lot more gray than it's looking right now. Alright guys, peace out, have a good one, stay safe.